So for about 3 decades, I've been doing my grilling on full-size gas barbecues, and they're great, they work well, nothing wrong with them. But for the last 6 months, I've been using this portable model. It's made by Napoleon. They call it the TravelQ 240. And I've really come to like the smaller size for reasons that I'll explain. But before I do that, let me just show you some of the features and why this thing is turning out to be a really nice grill to take on trips or when you want to just cook a few things. Now this unit puts out 9,000 BTUs per hour, which is a surprising amount of heat for a unit this small. The heat comes from propane, of course, and it's in this cylinder, standard camp stove type propane cylinder. I have done some experiments. This will take the longer style as well, the kind that you'd usually use with a torch, but this is handier, and you should take it off when you're carrying the grill around, of course. I do particularly like the actual grates here. They're cast iron, but not just regular cast iron, which can rust. This is porcelainized cast iron, so it's got a coating on it, permanent coating, never comes off. You don't have to use plastic tools on it or anything like that. But the porcelainization helps to protect against rust and makes the surface a little smoother, so it's easier to clean. So the grill surface area is 240 square inches. This meal I'm preparing here is for 6 people, so you don't necessarily need a big grill in order to make good things happen. The burners themselves are stainless steel, which is what you'd expect on any high-end grill, and it's also replaceable because even stainless steel does rust out over time, but it'll last many years before that happens. Now with any decent barbecue, there's a removable drippings tray here. Keep things clean. And the legs fold in too, which makes it a really handy thing to carry around. And that's really where a grill like this shines, is so you can take your grilling activity wherever you happen to go, picnics, by the lake, on the road. It works quite well. The legs fold in, and if you want, you can actually get an accessory folding stand with wheels on it, so you don't necessarily have to carry it. If you prefer, you can roll it along too, take it out of your car. Bottom line is that it's just super convenient and portable, yet as I said, it's got some high-end features too.